Good morning, children. Let's start with Chapter 2, The Features of Childhood, Part 1. Now, childhood is a period of all-round development. It has been divided into two parts. Pre-operational stage, that is called early childhood, 2 to 7 years of age, and concrete operational stage means middle childhood, 7 to 11 years of age. Now let's talk about the characteristics of early childhood, 2 to 7 years of age. This is a period of foundation which extends from 2 to 7 years. This stage is having its own unique characteristics. Now, because parents call this stage as a trouble period, there are lots of questions and they are very inquisitive about the environment. That's why this is called pre-gang stage. It is an exploratory stage where they observe the environment and ask number of questions. Preschool stage, the schooling start here, they go to kindergarten. There is a slow physical and growth, but there is a rapid social circle and language development and cognitive growth. Middle childhood, 7 to 11 years of age. Now this is called gang stage because they are confirmed about their social circle, they behave like their friends. Foundation of skills takes place, healthy relations, healthy friendship find here. Then reasoning is rule based, but they still require concrete hands-on learning activities. They learn the values of the society. Their physical growth is slow till they reach their puberty. Let's talk about the physical features. Early childhood height, it grows 2 to 3 inches taller per year. Weight, child attains 2 to 3 kg weight per year. Teething, child has 20 milk teeth, but these teeth start shedding at the age of 6 years. Middle childhood, child grows over 2 to 3 inch taller each year. By the end of 11th year, the average height of boy is 146 centimeter and girl is 147 centimeter. Weight, average body weight doubles during the middle childhood. It increases to 2.3 to 3.2 kg per year. They have 28 permanent teeth in the middle of childhood. Body proportions. Early childhood, the body becomes more proportionate to the head. Arms, legs and trunks become longer than infancy. Shoulders become squarish. Legs are approximately half of the body length. Middle childhood, head is 1/6 of the body. Feet become longer and body become less stocky and more slender. Let's talk about the motor development. It refers to change in the abilities to control body movements related to gross and fine muscles. Gross muscles, example bicep muscles, fine muscles, example the muscles of the fingers. Now let's talk about the motor abilities of early childhood. 2 to 3 years, the child can walk backward, climb the stairs, jump on feet, hop. 3 to 4 years, he can walk up and down the stairs, catches the ball with upper body part, and he can do the pedaling of tricycle. 4 to 5 years, he can catch the ball with both the hands, run fast, cycle fast. 5 to 6 years, runs with speed, skipping can be done, throws ball more accurately. Now, about the middle childhood, 7 to 8 years, he can throw the ball at some distance, can balance on one foot for a while, walk on toes. 9 to 10 years, he can throw the ball at larger distance, stops the ball immediately. He can jump as high as he can. 10 to 11 years, more balance and strength occurs in the body. skip continuously, and jumps over the hurdles. With this, we have finished our first part. Take good care of yourself.